Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by removing the default Flutter splash quickly. First, confirm Flutter 3 Plus is installed and your project runs. Once done, open Android/app/src/main/Android manifest, XML, and locate the launch theme reference. You will change it. Then open Android/app/src/main/res/values/styles. XML and identify the splash theme style. Make sure to create a backup of both Android and iOS folders before edits so you can revert if something breaks. This saves time and prevents lost work. Now modify Android resources to eliminate the static splash. In Styles, XML replace the custom splash theme parent with theme, material components, day-night, no action bar, and remove any item name equals Android, window background that points to a launch drawable. Once removed, delete the related drawable files from res/drawable and res/drawable v24 to avoid leftover images. After changes, run Flutter clean and then Flutter pub-get. Finally rebuild with Flutter run. This ensures the app uses the Flutter framework minimal startup instead of the default native. Finish by handling iOS. Open iOS/runner/info. List and remove the UI launch storyboard name entry or change it to an empty string, then delete launch screen. Storyboard and any launch image assets from assets, Xassets. Make sure to clear Xcode derived data or run Flutter clean again, then build on an iOS device. If the app still shows a splash, inspect device logs for missing resources or theme references, if needed. Restore the backup and reapply changes step by step, while checking each build to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.